There are currently no services due to depart from platform 1. The next train to depart from platform 3 is the 5:21 train to Adelaide. First stop Evanston, then Tamblin, Smithfield, Broadmeadows, Wammer, Elizabeth, Salisbury, Tudor, Parafield, Mawson Lakes, Dry Creek, Kilburn, Islington, then Adelaide. The next train to depart from platform 2 is the 5:36 train to Adelaide. First stop Tamblin, then Cudler, Monopara, Smithfield, Elizabeth, Elizabeth South, Nerlutta, Salisbury, Parafield, Parafield Gardens, Greenfields, Mawson Lakes, Islington, Dudley Park, Ovingham, North Adelaide, then Adelaide.